So I love the way this little Triumph drives. It's beautifully restored. It's got plenty of power. The shifting is fantastic. Wipers work, lights work. It's just a fully functional, super great little cruiser. And the left-hand drive here is apparently just extremely rare. Some estimates are that there's somewhere around 30 cars ever built with left-hand drive, which makes it much more easy to drive in almost every country there is, obviously. But runs cool. Shifting is nice through all the gears. Gauges are working here. I'm noticing the fuel gauge isn't reading, not sure why. But very nice cruising car. And when you look at it, you'll see that like the trim and the interior, the leather, the wood, everything is done really well. So it's extremely comfortable to drive. High quality rubs, beautiful chrome. Enjoy all the photos, the rest of the video, and give me a call anytime about this.